So today we are going to start our discussion. Topic is work from home is good or bad in some scenarios. So today we are going to start from the Devi Bhai because after some days Devi Bhai have joined. So Devi Bhai, what is your view regarding this working from home? That is good thing or bad thing? Okay, try to take all scenario, not only
So
software engineer.
personally,
Yes, yes.
no. So I'm sharing my personal experience because since March I'm doing work from home. So hello, are you
Yes,
able to hear me?
yes, yes.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. See, the work from home. So usually I used to commute to office for 1 hour for each side. So normally 2 hours I was spending with the traffic, but nowadays due to work from home that is not there traffic tension. And the second thing is during work from home, the work pressure is more because during 9 hours of working hours, we should spend 2 hours in meeting daily. So we should put additional hours to cope up with all productivity. That is so purely on business perspective, work from home, and personal perspective. So we can get some time with the family, and we can have food whenever we want. We can stay in home like without formal. It is like a new normal for nowadays. Instead of going office daily, so that's why it is advantageous for being a family or any urgent situation. We can help for our family. That's why it is good for work from home. So other than that, it is quite same. Whatever the work we are doing in office, it is same. It is carry forward in home only. But there are few advantages here and few advantages there. But overall, work from home is good. So I treat it as a work from home is good instead of office due in this crisis and after post crisis. Yeah,
Okay,
that's it.
okay, Devi.
Exactly, I'm very much agree with you, Devi, that yes, this is a new normal that
Hello, Neha.
hello.
Yes, Neha.
No.
Am I audible?
Now you are audible. Okay.
Okay. Yes, I was saying that I'm very much agree with Mr. Devi that this lockdown, this COVID-19 has it was a revolution in our work perspective, and it's a new normal for all of us. And we got a term work from home, like all the persons, whether it is IIT, whether it is whether it is teacher or it's a admin work, so all are working from home. And working from home has its pros as well as cons, right? The pros that we I personally think that the pros of this work from home, that the time that we were wasted in just reaching the place has just cut down. Like some of the people, not we, some of the people just uh, contribute or wasted 2 to 3 hours daily on traveling. So the traveling time has reduced, and so that we just focus on, instead of traveling, we just focus on the actual work of art. Like I am giving an example of me, that when I was working in a college, and for that I need to travel for 130 hour sorry 1.5 hour in the morning and 1.5 hour in the evening. So daily I was invested 3 hours on traveling only. So somewhere it just lagged my performance, and it affected my performance as well as
I guess. Hello,
Yes.
am I audible?
Yes, Amit bhai, you are audible.
Actually, I guess the Neha is having some internet issue.
Yes, yes, yes.
Exactly, I have some internet issue.
Okay, so just I
So
want to
you
put,
guys can continue.
yes, yes, just I want to put my point regarding the work from home. In my opinion, it is good for the person who are working in software industry, because they have to manage everything by using laptop. Okay, so whatever work we are doing, we can do through the laptop. That is very good for them. They can do
Mhm.
everything by sitting at home. Okay, also you have mentioned many points regarding Devi Bhai is also enjoying, but I think work from home for some days, that is very good. But when we are going to continue for a long time, sometimes we feel very bored and we are not taking so much interest. And also Devi Bhai mentioned that our working duration just increased by 2 hours, 3 hours, because we are spending 2 or 3 hours only to cope up with the management team. And also we are participating in meeting. Okay, and second thing, if you want to work from home, definitely you need a separate place where you can sit and you can concentrate your work. Suppose I am working, I am living in a one room family. What happened? I am currently working, someone is coming, someone is going. So no, works also affect. And suppose I have to work with some hard copy file. So this is not possible at sitting home. Only I think for software people who are working on programming language, developing some application, that is very good for them. They can use their laptop, they can do. But suppose I am working in an administrative department, I have to work with many files and also I have to take printout. I think this is not possible at home. In some cases work from home very good, in some cases that is not good, because when you are going to continue for long term, 5 days you feel very good, 10 days you feel good, but when you are going to extend more than 10, sometimes you feel very bored to what I am doing, because in office we can share our thought to our colleague also, we can spend some time to with them with lunch time. So there are many benefit working in office. So this is my view. For short time this is very good, but for long time I don't think this is good, because you are going to extend our working hour also, as Devi Bhai mentioned. So this is my point regarding working from home. So we have Bishal also. Bishal, Amit Bhai, you can continue.
Yeah, yeah, okay, fine. Thank you. So actually, let me start. Means I have been started doing a work from home since the 15 March. Okay, actually, what happened when I had gone to my office and I suddenly got the call from one of my manager, and he told me that why you came to the office, and he suddenly told me that you leave the office as early as possible, because already the my company has um, given means provided the work from home. So from means since the 15 March I have been doing the work from home. Okay, so initially means the I feel good. Actually, see means the traveling, right, it takes me a 30 minutes to go to the office, so I could save my 30 minutes. Okay, and then the every day you have to iron the press, ironing the your clothes, then shave, do a shave, and the so many things, right? Suppose if you want to go to the office, right, you should be a very neat and clean to go to the office. So those things can be can miss now cannot be considered if you are working from home. So this is the first thing, and then second thing is that suppose now see, as someone told that we, as you told, right, we require one separate room. It's very difficult for me because I am living in a 1 BHK. So it's very difficult to manage things, and the manage with my baby also, because sometimes if there is a meeting and if he suddenly comes, so it creates a problem. So somehow I have been managing this thing, because I don't have any other option now, because I cannot change my the flat right now, means during this pandemic situation. So it is very difficult for me. And so, and again, if you should have the good connectivity, because until and unless you don't have the good connectivity, it would be very difficult to manage it. Because for example, let me give an example. Suppose if you want to work on the one critical issue and you are in the middle of that, the right, and you are doing all the things, and suddenly the network gone. So in that case, it would be a very means as far as the client is concerned, it would be very difficult. They may um, they may have to absorb a lot of loss now here, because because I will have to repeat that task once again. And suppose if there are some certain tasks, and if you are in the middle of that task, so it very difficult to roll back it. Okay, so you should have the good internet connectivity also, and you should have the redundancy also. Not, you should not depend upon the only the internet connectivity. And again, the power supply, you should have the dual power supply. Means suppose if the power went, suppose for example power goes, so in that case you should have the inverter also. So these are the things. If you are doing a work from home, this you'll have to consider those things, and then you'll have to do. And as you told that, if it is a software, see now for example, I used to work miss 9:30 hours, for example. But here, if the work from home has been started, so since every day I am working 10 hours, more than 11 hours. Sometimes suddenly I get a call and there is the issue. Now what I do, I just open my laptop. Means I don't even shut down my laptop. It will be a continued 24/7. Means I am supporting like this also. So the whatever the task, as far as the IT is concerned, right? I am miss the whatever the work from home is allowed. So it's good for IT, because see whatever the task, only I discussed the internet connectivity. You should have good feed, inverter, and the one separate room. If you have such a things, then for IT person, I don't think so. It is a manageable. So it's a good work from home. But for other departments, like as you told that, it would be a difficult for them to manage it. For example, if you have to take a printout, so anyway you'll have to go out. Until and unless you don't, why should you waste your money also, right? So it's very difficult to handle the situation if you're working from the home. So these are the things that I would like that I wanted to
Okay,
tell
okay.
you.
Now Vishal bhai and Dhruv bhai. Vishal bhai, what is your point?
Yeah, absolutely. And I think both, I mean, Devi bro and Amit bro, and also Pradeep bro, you have mentioned all the points, I mean, pros and cons about the work from home. So just I'm trying to make some points regarding this topic. So, except from technical problems, I mean networking problems, we have also facing the problems about like make more noises about from their family members and from the small kids, and also from the outside noises from the environment. And uh, and also also Amit bro, also we have talked with the Amit bro before earlier days about the working from home. He also facing the many problems regarding this work from home. And also we can't also Devi bro said that the schedule of I mean, the limitation of the working, it will increase 1 hour or 2 hours by 2 hours. So it is difficult to, because no, we at our home we can't make any excuse for the working. If the boss, any colleagues making pressurize for any work, we can't make any excuse, and it's so difficult. And also we face, and also if we deal with the customer, then we also will face many problems regarding over low noise, I mean high noise, and with the networking issue. And one there is many benefits from work from home, like we can that it can be reduce traveling, and on the top of the traffic jam. And also we can save the money. And there's a lot of things, but also we have many problems in the from the working from the work home. And for the you Pradeep bro said that for the software and other engineer, there is have there is no problem for the guys from no for the programming level, as there other kinds of engineers. And but for the technical if you have a if there is a need of internet connection, and you have to proper no on the meeting on the online, and talking with the customer, and it's totally different from the office work environment, and also it's no from the work environment, I mean home environment. And also it's difficult for those people, those candidates, they have no laptop, and if they are living in any village, they have no time to they face many electricity problem to to maintain their work. So there are a lot of problems, and also there is a lot of also good things from the work from home. We can spend time with our family, and easy to do, and so that's all about. Yeah, who are the guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Just Dhruv bhai.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So just because I'm a student, I haven't worked from home or from anywhere, so I can't comment so many things about it just because I didn't experience it by myself. But okay, I will try to put some points. I think I'm totally agree with the point that Mr. Amit and Mr. Pradeep, bro, and I think you all guys have made. And the one thing, firstly, I want to say it definitely depends the job profile that you are doing. Okay, just take an example of call center people. Even I had just talked earlier with one call center ma'am, and just because of some network issue, and so at that time there was a lot of noise from background. I mean, not see, but I think her family used to they were playing a television. I just asked her, ma'am, there are too much noise just around you. There is too much noise around you. So she told me, just because we are working from home, we can't do anything about that. I mean, I can't stop my family to do such kind of thing. So it happens sometimes. It has a problem, and little bit problem we can ignore, and just because we all know so many people are working from their home, so I think customer can also manage all these things like I manage. Okay, but definitely we have so many advantages. Not only a person, I mean employee, but also a company has so many advantages. The best advantage is they can hire best people no matter from which country or from which place they are. Just suppose I'm from MP. I know so many IT companies are in Bangalore and Pune. If they will allow some people just to work from home, so definitely I can work from them no matter I'm from MP or from outside from MP, or maybe outside from India. So they can hire best people, and this is how they don't need to waste a lot of time and money on all those things. And even they can take also interview online, so that is not a big issue. But most of I mean they can find easily skillful people. Sometimes I have a skill, I know everything, I'm agree with everything, and I'm very very smart, but just because of my location, you know I can't go there, so that's why I can't work. Also, it is a great problem for women in our India. We all know it's a great, it's a, I think, better option for all the women nowadays. They can work. They can easily work from home, no matter what kind of job profile they are getting. Uh, yeah, but we need to manage, and we will become. I mean, after a few months, and we are also used to it nowadays. Uh, just because most of the people, no matter they are teacher or engineer or normal employee, they all are doing work from home. some some are also going in offices, but most of them are working from home. And the best part that Mr. Amit has mentioned, that we don't need to ready all the time. I mean, just we can get up and we can start our work. And also it is good for those people if your company has given you a task. Okay, and like now we are creating this Zoom practice class. If we have to create every single day such kind of classes in a daytime, it is not possible, just because we are in office. But now we can just extend, I mean, just we can schedule according to our own comfort. either we have to work in a night or in the morning or in a daytime. The rest of the time we can do whatever we want to do according to our own comfort. So this is the best part. Definitely it also saves a lot of money, not only in terms of traveling, but also in terms of whenever we are in office, we have to spend a lot of money, like definitely snacks and food and all those things. And the I mean, Mr. Pradeep has mentioned that if we are in a kind of uh, office place, so we have so many mates, with them we can communicate. But I think we are there to work. We are not there to communicate. And I think most of the company, they also don't allow to talk each other. Yeah, there is only, I think, one time in a lunch time, then we can talk. It is easy for teacher, but it is not easy for people who are working in a like office hours. I mean, teacher can easily sit and they can discuss, and they have to discuss about the student, about the plan that they have to make. But when it comes about employee, I think this is how they are also saving their time, and they are more focused. They are more focused. They don't have to feel jealous just because there are some more people who are coming from different bike cars. This is an insecurity that definitely so many people have there in their mind whenever they are doing job. I mean, that's why we do job, so we can somehow get a luxurious life and all those things. So this is how sometimes we have an insecurity. We don't focus too much on our work. We just see other people, how they are talking, how they are doing work, and so all these things. So if we are at home, we have only one thing and one option, that we have to work. So we work with more efficiency. And one point also that had made, and also it is natural, if we are working from home, just because we are not used to it, we become lazy. But up to when? Up to when? If you are going to become lazy for more than a week, company will cut your salary. Then money matters more. No matter you are lazy, you are exhausted, but if you need money, you have to work. You don't have options. So maybe after 10 days, after 15 days, whether you want or not, whether you have habit or not, you will adopt that kind of situation. So it is also not a big deal.
Okay, Dhruv bhai, just I want to say one point, because by mentioning my name, you have mentioned that you go for office for doing work, not for talking to each other. Okay, I am totally agree with that
Yeah.
point. But what happen when we are working from home? Also, we are spending time with our family, because Devi bhai, Amit bhai mentioned that they have increased their hour. Why? Because during the work hour, also we used to spend some time with our family and child. Also, suppose I am working from home, I am doing after 1 hour, I am moving around my home, I watching TV also. When I got a message or got a email, then I will check my system. Means we are also wasting our time at home also, because we are not going to focus only on work for 10 hours. Okay, so this is both side. In office, I am not
I
mentioning
think
doing
I
work, you
think
are going to
spending time with family, that is not a waste of time. If you want to spend your time with your
no,
mates,
you are
it's
talking
okay. But if
about
you want to
working
spend your
hour.
time,
In office, if I am working from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. means I am working for 8 hours. Then I should work also at my home from 9 to 5 p.m.
then
But
what is the
we
mean of work from home?
no,
This is a
no,
profit
no,
we have,
no,
privilege
Dhruv
we
bhai, I
have.
am
We
not
can work
totally agree.
anytime.
If I am talking with my colleague, means I am not wasting my time. Maybe I am talking on some some work related matter. And also I mentioned in
We
my
can do.
speech we used to talk during the lunch hour. I have not mentioned that I am working, I am talking with my employee. Definitely there are many employees who are not allowed to talk to each other. Okay, but when you are considering work from home also, if we are really loyal to our work, so we should sit in a separate room and just lock from inside and try to work 9 to 5 p.m. Then you are genuine employee. Otherwise, we are also doing what we do in office. Also, we used to talk to each
No.
other.
Okay.
Okay, just move to Sasank. We have
In
Sasank
this
also.
part,
Then we can
in
discuss.
this part,
Okay, then we
in
can
this part,
discuss.
I'm not agree that you
Okay,
have to
okay.
work from 9 to 5 hours. If you are doing great job, I think no matter you are working in night or morning, they will give you more and more salary, just because company needs your work. They don't need your kind of hours. No matter you are working in the morning and evening, and they have created this hours, so at least you must be a discipline. But a person who is doing great job, I think no one needs your hours. And if you can do better job, I mean better work.
It's only applicable where everything depend upon your performance. Sometimes also you have to spend time in office. If we are talking about Devi Bhai and Amit Bhai, they are working in a software industry. Just in software industry, works matter. What they are doing, they are going to finish their work in 1 hour or 2 hours. Basically, it's totally depend upon client. Okay, but in some offices, this is not depend upon client. It's internal matter. Okay, we'll discuss later because we have Sasank Bhai also. So please let Sasank speak, then we can discuss. Okay. Shashank Bhai.
Okay, Pradeep sir.
Okay,
Okay, Pradeep sir.
Shashank
I
Bhai,
think
please don't
sometime.
mention me Pradeep sir. Yeah, just you can say Pradeep. Okay, we
Oh,
are
sorry,
okay.
sorry, Pradeep. Yeah,
Sometimes
sorry,
it is
Pradeep.
very
Yeah.
awkward. Okay,
Uh,
okay.
I think sometime we need this to work in home, as we know that while working in a home, sometimes we get much leisure time to do whatever we want. It also get consume less time, as we know that. And also from working as a home, we can abstract our time for our family. But sir, but sometimes it can make feel bore sometimes while attending meeting, because it's a nature of a human, because we cannot held or stuck in a same work over an entire life. We need exposure in our life. And sometimes it very tough to work in a home, because there is a no fixed time. We don't know how the online classes meet or some meeting go long. uh, from my opinion, I think physical appearances matter. It don't make other to feel bored, and can other to understand whether it was online classes or meeting or something else. I just giving my example. um, uh, Before my training is just going on, from the beginning, when my training is going on, we focus on and listen carefully every instruction that is given by the members. After few days, we got technical problems. Sometimes server doesn't work. We waited along, we don't know when it resolve. So when we do in so so that after resolving it, we don't know when we get our leisure time. Sometimes it's make me frustrated. So I preferring online classes is not the worth for me.
Okay, Dhruv Bhai. Now you can continue. Now we have 10 minutes, so it's open for everyone. Just raise your hand and start speaking. Okay, I am here for listening. Yes, Devi Bhai.
One more thing, so I'm not countering it for Dhruv or something. Just clarifying that Dhruv is already told that we can hire anybody from anywhere, but that is not possible. You can hire only for particular nation people. Like India, we can hire only within state. You cannot go for search for a skilled person in one more country, because that law doesn't allow you. That is for one clarification I need to give for Dhruv. And other than that, Amit Kumar is
I
laughing.
have
I
given
know
example
he
of
is.
state. I'm from MP. If I want to work for better people, and also I have given example of women.
Yeah,
They can't go outside. I
yeah.
have given example of Indian people also.
So what about the
And I
system
talked
and
about
all?
it. There are so many Indian people who just go outside, Okay, they go from I mean just out from our country. They have now privilege to work at the same time. They can enjoy their life. They are also working for their company.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
There are
this
some
is all from my side.
restrictions. Yeah, yeah, there are some restrictions. But other than that, the work from home is good. Even some internet issues. So because some few those who are staying in metro cities, they don't have any these internet issues. But most of the persons are now went for their native. They're facing some internet issues. So definitely, it is a big problem in work from home. But now this crisis made us to work from home, and we realized the what is the value of our family and our time and other things and all what is going on surroundings. We should be very happy that we got such environment, so that we can do work from home, or we can talk each other virtually. Think about other persons, like those who are working in plant, or those who are working in constructions company. It is for them work from home. It is not at all possible. So considering these scenarios, yeah, we are very lucky, and that's it for my side.
So I think Devi bhai, this is not first time. I think software industry person, they are work from home since a very long time. This is not first time.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
only first time for
Yeah.
other people who are not working in a software industry. Okay, as you can take example of teachers. Now they are teaching by sitting at home. So this is first time experience for teachers, not for software industry person, because they are doing since long time. You know, because only you have to use laptop, you need internet connection, you can access everything,
Yeah.
whatever you want. This is new for, you can say for teachers, because first time due to this pandemic situation, they are taking online classes and some other works also. But for software industry, this is not new. Okay, Dhruv bhai and Amit bhai, you can
Yes, yes.
continue.
See,
Yeah.
it is not. See, it is not like that. Means whether you are working from home or you are working from office. The very first thing is that your dedication is countable. Okay, you are a dedicated person. Okay, you are giving your 100%. Then I don't feel that you will have any issue, right? Because see, suppose if you have to handle some particular the task, right? So you will give your 100%, and I don't think so anyone will blame you whether you are working from home or working from the office. For I see, I'm talking about considering the IT industries only. Okay, see, now I am working from
Because
home or yeah.
Pradeep bhai,
So
the
now,
work from home is applicable only for IT industries. You cannot think about beyond the circle.
No, that's
yes,
why
because see,
that's why I'm
Uh,
saying this is
yeah.
most usual for software industry, because they have to perform everything on the laptop. But you know what
see,
happened during the
now,
Yeah.
during this situation?
Yeah.
Teacher who is teaching from their home, they are getting only half of salary. Why? No, because in the colleges, in university, they used to spend their time 9 to 5, and at home they are only spending their time 9 to 2 a.m. So they are getting half of the salary. But in case of software industry, they are getting full salary, because whatever they do in office, they are doing from the home also. But when we are talking
yes,
about,
Today's topic is
Yeah.
today's topic is only for work from home, pros and
yes,
cons. We are not talking about
okay, okay,
Mm.
okay.
no, no. What I wanted to say, I forgot it.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, but it's good, right? Because getting the time for me also getting a time, I can do yoga and so many stuffs I can do it. So
And I can encourage Dhruv to work on software industries once he complete his
yes,
education.
yes.
Actually, Dhruv is
Yeah.
looking for in artificial intelligence field, I think. What I am guessing, because
I have interest in I have interest in that field. I
Uh-huh.
have only interest in that field, and
I think
uh,
you have done BTech in
actually I have
mechanical
completed
engineering.
my
Mechanical
engineering
engineering.
is mechanical. Yeah,
Okay,
right.
okay.
I have completed mechanical.
Even, but
Yeah.
see,
So I just
Uh, yeah, just
tell
1
me.
minute. But the work from home, I could learn how to mop the floor, then how to sweep the these things I could learn because of that work from home.
No,
I
we
then
don't
even
trust you. No, we don't believe you.
even
We don't believe. Show me.
and even no, I have that video, TikTok videos. I will show you some other day. Okay, but even
TikTok.
I know how to do a dishes also now these days. So these things I could learn because of the work from this COVID situation.
Okay, the Dhruv bhai, what is your point regarding this? Because Amit bhai mentioning that he has done mobbing, something like that, doing the work from home, means he is not
Uh,
serious about that work. Then how you can justify this? If I am
But he
going
is
my office,
completing
I
his
am.
task, I think. He is completing his task, I think. Right, Mr. Amit?
I never used to do such a thing. But now, since March 15, the moment that this work from only the 2 days, I got some relaxation. After the 17 or 20 March, I have been doing dishes and all these things. Whatever, okay? So, see,
Yeah.
this pandemic, the corona taught me such a things also. But it's good, okay? Because it's, means I could help. Yeah, I'm satisfied that I could help something. Because I cannot give total burden to my wife. So that is the thing also.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
So
good.
Yeah.
this is time to end the meeting because this is 10:20. So thank you guys for attending this. Okay, so we will meet tomorrow again with new topic. Okay, Divi bhai, if you want to say something, you
Yeah.
can say.
No, I'm motivated from Amit Bhai. So I'm also give tough
Okay.
competition to him tomorrow onwards.
Okay.
So first you
Okay,
get
fine,
married,
fine.
then you can
But
do
do
it.
you? But see. But here you have to do your best job. For example, suppose if you are doing a dishes and if there is something done, then again you will have to hear a lot of things. Okay. So whatever the task, you should be a very much perfect. Whatever you
First
are
time
doing.
right. FTR, first time right.
If you are mopping the floors, so you should very much miss whether how much Dettol you have taken, okay, the water
Experience.
level, yeah,
Experience
water
talk.
level and all these things, and how the fan should be in a full speed, right? So this is the experience I have taken during this pandemic now, and even I don't know how many days I will have to be continue with this situation now. So I am expecting that we will get the COVID vaccine and then I will go to the office because I don't want to this repetitive task every day now.
Okay, Amit
Yeah.
bhai. So thank you. Okay.
Yes. Good night to all.
Good night.